In today's video, I will teach you how to use the graduated filter in Lightroom. Let's get started. The graduated filter in Lightroom is perfect for making selective adjustments to a portion of an image, such as darkening a bright sky or enhancing the foreground. And here's how to use it. First, we're going to access the graduated filter. To do this, simply open an image in the Develop module or simply press D on your keyboard. Then click on the graduated filter or simply press M on your keyboard. Now we're going to apply the filter to your image. To do this, click and drag from one side of the image to the other. For example, you can drag from the top to bottom to darken a sky. Now a set of 3 lines will appear. The outer lines define the transition area, while the center line marks the midpoint of the gradient. You can also hold Shift while dragging to keep the gradient straight. Now we're going to adjust the filter settings. Once the filter is placed, you can adjust the settings in the right panel. You can adjust the exposure to brighten or darken the selected area, or use the contrast to increase or decrease the contrast, or adjust the shadows and highlights to recover details in bright or dark areas, temperature and tint, which adjusts the color tones, which is useful for correcting skies, or dehaze, which reduces atmospheric haze in the landscape shots. You can also click Show Overlay or simply press the O key on your keyboard to see the affected area. Now we're going to refine the effect. You can move the filter by dragging the center pin, and you can resize the transition by dragging the outer lines closer or further apart. And you can rotate the filter by hovering over near the center line and rotating. And you can also use the brush tool by simply clicking brush in the filter panel to erase or add to the mask. And to remove or reset the filter, simply click the pin and press delete or backspace on Windows, or click reset at the bottom of the graduated filter panel. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.